how to resize toggles on Control Center on iOS 18. So first, what you want to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to reveal the Control Center. And as you can see, my Control Center looks different. There are some that are different sizes. And if you want to do that, just simply tap and hold on the plus icon on the top left corner. And this will pop up just like that. I'll just show you right here how it can do this. So I'll just swipe down right here and I'll add a control. So let's say I want to add this low power mode. As you can see, there's a circle icon right now, but I'll just simply tap and hold on or drag this line right here so that I could resize it. Then as you can see, I can make it go like that or like this. And every icon or toggle has a different size or resize. So let's say I want to add this connectivity toggle or shortcut, and I could only do it just like this, or I could do it like this. So there are two options for this. So the resize depends on what shortcut you're going to add. And another one is I'll add music right here, and I could also make it like that or like this.